Hi, this is Lynn at Kathy Quilts, and today I'm doing a follow-up video that's related to our video about sewing off your machine. Apparently there are people who are saying that if you use canned air that you're going to blow lint and thread pieces and things like that back into your machine. Longarm machines don't have feed dogs, and so for you to blow those out, it's not going to be the same as if you have a machine that has feed dogs. So if you have a domestic machine or you're using a machine like the Little Rebel that does have feed dogs, then I would recommend taking the needle plate off and maybe opening up that area, blowing the lint downwards. But as far as like long arm machines, the Grace company uses sealed bearings on the shaft that runs the hook assembly. And so there's no way in the world you're going to blow lint or anything back in there. And so I'll show you in this video what I'm talking about. Now, as a disclaimer, this is the way we do it. Doesn't mean that that's the only way to do it. If you like to use a lint brush or some kind of vacuum, something like that, that's fine. We don't have a problem with that. Kathy, on the other hand, is a professional quilter, and for her, time is money. And she doesn't have time to mess around trying to get lint out and making sure she gets all the lint, or trying to get back in there with a light or something. Oh, did I get all the lint? I mean, just a quick couple of squirts with the canned air and it's all ready, and she can get her bobbin back in there and get back to work. So that's just the way we feel. And again, you know, if you don't feel that way, that's fine. But we just want you to know that on the Grace machines, so if you own a Cunique or if you own a Block Rocket, there's no problem at all blowing it out. But again, that's just our opinion. So let's check out this machine that I opened up and show you what I'm talking about. And if you agree or disagree or whatever, please leave a comment below. And, you know, if we can help you out, we'd love to. And if you don't like what we do, then, you know, we apologize if we offended you or something, but this is just quilting, so people shouldn't get upset about stuff that, you know, no one's going to die here. So appreciate you guys, and let's watch the video. This is a Block Rocket 15, so it's just like a Cunique, and I'm taking the bolts out of it. And so this, you just make that part right there go down, and then you can just grab it from the bottom and it slides out, and then it'll slide away. But what I'm opening this up for is so you can see inside there's the shaft and everything that's in there. Now when you blow out your machine with compressed air, it can get back in here a little bit, but these bearings are sealed. There's nothing they can get it, and there's not going to be, most of the lint when you blow it out goes out. If there's any that gets in there at all, I mean, we've blown it out on this machine for years, and you can see there's nothing in there. So people that are worried about thread or other debris getting blown back in there, there's very little that actually goes back in. This is what it looks like with the side all the way off. So if you notice, it's kind of hard to really tell, but the Grace company uses these special steel shafts. These are really heavy duty, and it uses 3 set screws to hold that hook assembly on. So they really over-engineer these, but that's not the purpose of this video. Basically, just trying to show you that none of that debris really gets in the back. And even if it did get back here, there's nothing that it can really cause any problems with. If you notice the way this one is set up right here, it would catch pretty much anything that goes back there. So not a problem. I hope you've enjoyed this video, that it's shown you that blowing out your machine, at least your Qnique or block rocket, isn't going to be a problem. If you're using canned air, it's going to be different maybe than a compressor, which would have a lot more volume of air. So just a little puff from the canned air is not going to hurt your machine. But if you are worried about that, just use a brush, use whatever you want. But this is just what we do, and we've had really good success with it. So please let us know if you have any questions. Also visit kathyquilts.com if you're interested in getting a Qnique machine. We still have a really good sale going on till the end of December 2024. Or matter of fact, we always have some kind of a sale going on. So please visit us, and we'll be here to help you learn how to quilt. Thanks.